Hello, I'm Pamela Field, and I'm very happy to announce the publication of my new book, Why Am I Here? A Guide to Fulfilling Your Life Plan. I think it's very clear to all of us that humanity and planet Earth is in a state of red alert right now, perhaps even desperation. And I believe that the change will come through the people, through our efforts, through your efforts, through my efforts. During the last 30 years of workshops and individual healing sessions, I have met so many people who suffer from a huge frustration. They feel the urgency inside of themselves, the desire to offer something from themselves, their talents, their gifts, their passions, towards the creation of a more humane world. But they have not been able to determine, to clarify, what is it they're meant to be giving? What is their life plan? So this book is actually written with these people in mind. It's aimed at people who have not clarified their gifts, their capacities, talents, passions, or life plan. It's for people who perhaps would like to change their career, but they feel it's too late or they're too old to do so. It's for people who are already contributing their talents and have already organized themselves and are offering their gifts to the world, but perhaps have not received the success or the social impact that they'd hoped for. The book is interactive, so I suggest that the reader buy a notebook to have at their side while they're reading, because there'll be questions, there'll be personal evaluations, suggestions, questions to be answered, and all of this information goes into the notebook. So when the reader has finished the book, they'll have all this information available to organize themselves and take the next steps. I've placed a lot of emphasis in this book on reducing and eliminating the obstacles. Here I refer to cultural and ancestral traumas and the side effects caused by those, distorted maybe belief systems or mental patterns that hold back. There's so many factors that are not so obvious that do interfere with our personal evolution and the fulfillment of our life plan. So I wanted very much to attend to these obstacles. At the end of the book, there's a whole section of tools that, exercises, methods, techniques to support you with this. The book has received a blessing from Lama Thubten Wangchen. He's the director of the Casa del Tibet in Barcelona. The English book is available in a PDF format, so if you're interested in obtaining a copy, please go to my website page under the section of books, called the book section. So, this is my contribution and a sincere effort to gather all of us together, to motivate us, and all together to create such an amazing change, hopefully even in our own lifetime. Blessings, best wishes to each and every one of you.